Welcome back to Cooking Life with Des. Today, magluluto tayo ng aloo karahi or patatas as we called it. Kailangan natin ng half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, 6 small sizes of potatoes, cut it round just like this. Thickness is just enough. 2 medium sizes of chopped onions, 2 medium sizes of chopped tomatoes, and of course, the cooking oil. Let us start. So, ilagay natin ang mantika sa kawali. Huwag na nating antayin ito ay uminit. Then, ilagay natin ang potato or patatas. Haluin natin ng kaunti at hayaan natin ito ay maprito ng kaunting oras. Mga 5 minuto po lamang. Sa katamtamang lakas ng apoy po lamang. Lipas ng 5 minuto, atin ulit itong haluin. Katulad nito. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo parang na-fry na siya ng kaunti. So, ilalagay na natin or i-add na natin ang kamatis. Ayan. Atin itong haluin ng kaunti. Huwag o dahan-dahan lamang sa paghalo nang sa ganun ay hindi masira ang ating patatas. Sunod natin ang sibuyas at haluin natin sila pero dahan-dahan po lamang maiwasang madurog ang ating patatas. Ngayon, ilalo na natin ang iba pang ingredients katulad ng chili flakes, salt, add half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste, or any kind that available at home, then add the green chili and mix it well. Last but not the least, add 1/4 glass of water. Don't mix it too much to avoid breaking the aloo or the potato. Cover it for a while for at least 10 minutes in a low fire. After the minutes, it looks like this. So if you notice, the water gets a little bit low or it gets a little bit dry, but this is not the thing that we want to. Cover it once again and cook it for another 10 minutes in a low fire. After another 10 minutes, it will look like this. Now, it's done. Turn off the fire and then garnish it with garam masala. Garam masala is the mixture of zira seeds and black pepper. You can also garnish it with the shredded fresh ginger or coriander leaves. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.